an R.
What does a sheep say?
Bah.
Bah. What does a rooster say?
Boo.
No, a rooster says.
That's the dog.
No, what does a rooster say? Stop digging your nose. What does a rooster say?
Take an R.
What does a lion say?
Ah.
What does a monkey say?
Oh, hee hee.
And what does, what other animals do we know?
Ga.
What does a pig say?
Alright.
Oink oink.
Okay.
What does a duck? Oink oink. And what animal says?
No. That's a horse.
It's a horse. And what is quack quack?
That's a dog.
That's a duck. And what is quack quack?
That's a dog.
That's Greta.
Yeah.
Yeah. You a monster?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bobo. Bobo. Bobo.
You got a bobo? To the bug. Don't touch that.